I do like Japan trains. But there were some weird things that happened on the Japan trains, too. Well, first of all, they can be really crowded, which I hate. I hate having to, like, squeeze in. Oh, there was a drunk girl who threw up on the train that I was in Japan, and that was pretty gross. And the vomit was, like, sliding around on the floor. And then we had to change cars. That'll happen. Even in Japan, where the trains are always on time, there will always be drunk people doing drunk people things. It was gross. Everybody, and it smelled too. It was very disgusting. Honestly, everybody like fled to one side of the car. It wasn't even that late, because remember, I had a granny sleep schedule. I think it was like 8 p.m. when this happened. Yeah.
My cookies sweet like lollipops.